felt life, you know, that life was music. He just felt life, you know, that life was music, 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 music. He just felt life, you know, that life was music. And he used to tell the story like this one song he did. He saw a fat woman walking down the street, and just her butt going from boom to boom to boom, ba-dum, ba-dum. That was his interpretation of music. So he put music to just about anything that had life to it, 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 life to it.